Hi, my name's Janelle and welcome back to Rosary Apparel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing all of my favourite summer me-made outfits that I have been wearing to death over the warmer months. Every outfit I'll be sharing in this video has a tutorial or separate video where I've shared the whole making process, and I'll leave all of the links down in the description below. So if you did want to make any of these outfits for yourself, then you can do that. And I also figured if you are watching from the Northern Hemisphere, then this video might be really helpful if you're starting to think about your sewing plans for the warmer months. Yeah, I have thoroughly enjoyed wearing each and every one of these outfits on repeat pretty much this whole summer, and it's also really fun because a lot of these outfits I actually made quite a few years ago and have kind of rediscovered them this year. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let me show you my favourite summer me-made outfits. Okay, so outfit number one is an early version of my pansy pattern. This dress was originally a pattern hack of my Rosa and Willow sewing patterns, but I have since made this dress into its own pattern called the pansy pattern, also known as my perfect everyday dress. This dress has been made from a really light green seersucker type fabric that has just got the loveliest texture. There's just something about the gathered texture of this fabric that works perfectly with the gathered elements of this dress, and it's just such a comfortable and easy dress to wear. I love to pair this dress with these fisherman sandals that I got from Everlane a good couple of years ago now, and honestly, I call the pansy dress my perfect everyday dress for a reason, as I have genuinely worn this dress pretty much every single day this summer. Outfit number two is this cute shirred dress that I made quite a few years ago now, and it is made from quite possibly my favourite fabric I have ever worked with. It's a stunning linen fabric in my favourite burnt orange colour, and it's just so lovely and breathable and perfect for those really hot summer days. What I love about this dress is that it's literally just been made up from a few rectangles of fabric. It's such an easy dress to make and an even easier dress to wear. This is one of the most comfortable dresses I have ever made. I love pairing this dress with my classic saltwater sandals. I have had a version of these sandals in my wardrobe ever since I was a teenager, and I don't think I'll ever be without a pair. Outfit number three is my beloved Daisy dress. You can find the pattern for this dress linked below, and this is the midi length version with elasticated sleeves. The fabric of this dress is a stunning eucalyptus green shade, and it also has a lovely floral embroidery all over it, and is again one of my favourite fabrics I have ever worked with. Again, I love pairing this dress with my fisherman sandals, and I also love pairing it with this cute basket bag I thrifted over a decade or so ago. I am just so proud of this dress and of the Daisy pattern in general, and I'd love making the most of the warmer months by wearing this dress as often as possible. Outfit number four is another classic summer outfit for me, and that is this adorable pattern hack of my Rosa pattern paired with my favourite Superga high top trainers. This dress has so many cute details. It has a ruffled hem skirt, tie-up puff sleeves, and also a really nice shirred bodice, but the shirring has kind of been done in a nice pattern. I just remember being so proud of this make when I first made it, and I've shared all the steps in a tutorial that I'll have linked below if you did want to have a go at making one too. Outfit number five is actually another pattern hack of my Rosa pattern. It's very similar to the original Rosa, except that I've skipped the waist darts to create a more relaxed, oversized fit, and therefore was able to skip the centre back seam as well, as the dress is able to just be slipped on over my head. I love how simple this dress is. It's been made from some lovely gingham linen and is super lightweight and is just my go-to dress on those really hot, humid days, as it's, probably the most breathable dress I own. Again, I love pairing this dress with my fisherman sandals and also a matching bag for a super simple and super comfy outfit. Outfit number 6 is another pattern hack, but this time it's a pattern hack of my Hazel sewing pattern. I just love how simple this dress is. It's a really simple A-line shift dress with a really cute gathered ruffled hem. The fabric of this dress is a small green gingham, which I think works perfectly for this dress style, and I love wearing this dress with a boxy white t-shirt underneath. I did end up putting a zip in the back of the dress, but honestly, if I was to make this dress again, I would skip the zip entirely, as it is just able to be slipped on over my head really easily, and I don't think I've even used the zip once since making it. Outfit number 7 is not technically 100% a me-made outfit, but I did make the top, and I have shared a tutorial on how to make this exact skirt as well. Firstly, let's talk about the top. It's a simple shirred top that has again been made from just a few rectangles of fabric, but what makes this top special is the smocked sleeves. I like to call smocking the ultimate slow fashion, as it takes forever, but the end result is just so beautiful. It's basically a craft where you embroider fabric to make it stretchy, and this top was such a labor of love, but I am so proud of it, and so proud I was able to complete it. The skirt though is actually a skirt I picked up in a vintage store in Kyoto back in early 2020, and it's been a staple in my wardrobe ever since. So much so that I've actually made a replica of it, and I filmed the whole process for a tutorial, and I just think that these two items work so nicely together, and it's one of my favorite outfits ever. Outfit number 8 is another version of my pansy pattern, but this one is the long sleeve midi length version. The fabric I made this dress out of is a gingham linen by Merchant & Mills, and it's probably the fanciest fabric I've ever worked with. This fabric is also a gingham. Can you tell I love gingham? And it is a cute light pink and mustard colour combo. The fabric itself is a pretty heavyweight linen, so this is not a dress I wear on those really hot days, but here in Tasmania, Australia, the weather can be very unpredictable, so this dress is my go-to on those unseasonably colder summer days. I also pair this dress with my saltwater sandals and my basket bag for the ultimate picnic vibes. Outfit 9 is another shirred number. This dress has been made from the most stunning embroidered fabric, and something about the way the shirring gathers up the fabric at the bust just works so nicely for this dress. Similar to the other shirred dress I shared earlier, this dress has been made up from just a few rectangles of fabric. However, with this dress, I inset the sleeves so they sit a little bit further up on the shoulders. I actually think this dress ties with my pansy dresses as the most worn dress in my wardrobe. It's just so comfy and just a little bit fancy, so I do end up wearing this dress to dinner parties and things like that over the summer. And so because of that, I do end up pairing this dress with my adorable wine carrier basket that I thrifted a few years ago, and that I love very, very much. And lastly, outfit number 10 is this super fun ruffled hem dress that I made from a $5 bedsheet. This dress is another pattern hack of my Hazel pattern, and I have just completely fallen in love with it this summer. It is such a fun dress to wear, and it's so flowy and lovely, and I really love the extra long length. It also has some really cute bow tie-up straps that I just think are so fun. And again, I like wearing this dress with a t-shirt underneath, or just on its own if it's a really, really hot day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which outfit was your favorite. Like I said at the start of the video, I have shared a tutorial or a video covering the whole making process of each of the outfits I've shared in this video. So definitely check out the description box if you did want to make any of these outfits for yourself. And yeah, hopefully this video has inspired you to get sewing and to have a go at making some of your outfits for the warmer months instead of buying them. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end, and I'll see you in the next one.